Etiquettes and manners, plain and simple. Like and subscribe. Chapter 4, Table Manners and Eating Etiquette. There's more to eating than the food itself. How you eat and the way you behave while eating is just as important as food distribution and consumption. Good table manners let people around you enjoy their meals. Social meal gatherings are probably the most frequently used way to entertain. They allow for interesting food choices and lively conversations around the dinner table. Knowing table manners and social eating etiquettes are important for their success. You must look elegant while you eat, so not to offend or make the experience unpleasant for others. No one likes to see a clumsy, disorganized, or messy eater, someone with bad table manners. Good table manners are also the sign of self-assurance, an important virtue that leads to success. Good manners take the struggle out of social eating and make it easy and enjoyable, whether it's a gathering for drinks and appetizers or a formal dinner party. So, eating manners are very important, and probably one of the most common, gatherings are something to do with food. So, we have to learn table manners, so, because people don't like to see disorganized and messy eaters. So, Kobe Soup is a book written by me about a guy named Bob and how he found a delicious soup to eat, but when he discovered the ingredients, he was shocked. And Copper Lost in Time is a book written by me about a dog named Copper and how got lost in the future and has to go back to the present. An Alien Stole My Homework 1 and 2 are books written by my brother Jaden, and they follow a kid named Ned and how he stopped aliens from stealing his homework in elementary school and in college. And Ask Etiquette is a book written by me and my brother, and it's about how kids can help in their parents' business. And these books are on Amazon, so you can buy them there. Okay, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Bye!